Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we are going to be doing a Halloween 2020 collection makeup transformation, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this as much as I had fun filming this. Or not. Let's just begin. Of course, you just want to clean your face, girl. Like, oh my god, don't start with a dirty base. You're going to want to wash your face and use some wet wipes and then clean your face. And then, of course, you move on to a primer just so you have a nice face, soft face, baby butt skin face. And then moving on to the foundation. And here I'm using my favorite, which is Infallible by L'Oreal, because it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. Only maybe about like after an hour, I would say you would feel something there, but it's not that heavy. And with any kind of powder, here I'm using Ben Nye. I'll just scrub it on my face, brush it on my face, powder on my face. And we're going to do some contour, so I'm going to contour my nose using this brush. So a lot of people were saying, how come you're not using a brush? Always use your fingers. So I'm going to be using a brush just to be different this time. And then I'm just going to connect it on my eyebrows. So Gal has like a really nice cheekbone, so let's go ahead and contour our face. My face is square, I would say. It's not V. I used to think it was V, but I already accepted reality. It's just really, really square. So I'm going to try my best in getting her kind of cheekbones. And for the brows, make sure you do an arch, because she has like a really nice arch brows, especially when she's looking at her eyes. And you guys might be wondering, yes, I did play the video of Gal or some clips from Wonderwoman just to have like sort of an inspiration on how she looks like. So apply a little bit of highlighter on your Cupid's bow, and then since Gal's makeup there on Wonderwoman, it was very simple, I would say. So I'm just going to be using the contour I used earlier as the crease contour, if that makes sense. So you can just have fun with the makeup. And then apply your middle crease area, middle eyelid. And I actually just used the highlighter I used earlier on my Cupid's bow. So yeah, if you guys like me talking this way or the California Valley Girl way, like, yeah. Also be using contour for my lower lash line as well, just so it matches. We're almost done. Apply your favorite lipstick. Here I'm just going to be using Vice Cosmetics. It's a Filipino brand. I actually like the brand. And then after applying your lippy, you just move on to applying your liquid eyeliner, and don't go crazy on it. Just apply it where there's no wing, because I think in her makeup she didn't have that much wing. So yeah, we're pretty much done with the makeup here. Then let's just get on with the costume, right? And now we're finally finished with the makeup, and let's just wear the costume. I honestly, personally don't like the costume. I can't believe she wore something like this. It was just too hot. It was leather. I'm not sure what she wore on the actual movie, but it's not for me, guys. It was so hot, and I do apologize if there's just a little bit of clips, because I didn't really video that much since it was too uncomfortable, and it was also late at night when I filmed this video. I was being so crazy, so I filmed outside of my house. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And oh, I totally forgot. To the people who sent me money on PayPal, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I wasn't able to encash it, so I will be refunding everyone who sent me even just $5 or $1. I really do appreciate it, but in the Philippines, I cannot encash it. I don't know how, but then again, I figured maybe I just don't need that much money at the moment since I already actually bought my Halloween costume, so I just won't buy anymore. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching my videos, and thank you to everyone who's keeping on supporting, keeping me sane during this pandemic, and I do read everyone's comments, and I really do appreciate it. Also, I do have Instagram, Mikee Hidalgo, and I also have Twitter, Mikee Hidalgo, Facebook, Mikee Hidalgo 00, and Snapchat, Mikee Fears. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, for any comments or for any suggestions, please do leave it down the comment below. My English is running out, so I gotta go watch more Sesame Street. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Have a great day. Toodles!